This was a tornado warning.
Until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Nixa, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following attacks are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Please don't.
Locations impacted include
Please don't. I'm not filming this.
Ozark, Sparta, Highland Hill, Fremont Hills, Oldfield, Linden, West, and Selmore. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Christian, Missouri,